and welcome to this session on reaming in lathe using solid and adjustable reamer. Let us begin with the session.
Let us now look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to drill a hole to size, leaving allowance for reaming. Ream through hole with a hand reamer. Check the reamed hole by using a plug gauge. Enlarge the reamed hole by diameter 0.1 mm using adjustable reamer. The tools required to perform this exercise are outside calipers, steel rule, chuck key, facing tool, turning tool, center drill with chuck, drill bits, chamfering tool, reamer, tap wrench, plug gauge, adjustable reamer. Reaming is a machining operation in which a rotary tool takes a light cut to improve the accuracy of a round hole and to reduce the roughness of the hole surface. A reamer is a multi-point cutting tool used for finishing previously drilled hole to accurate sizes. Reamers are classified as hand reamers and machine reamers. Hand reaming is done manually, for which great skill is needed. Machine reamers are fitted on spindles of machine tools and rotated for reaming. To determine the size of reamer, drill size is equal to reamer size minus undersize plus oversize. Reamer size is the required finished hole size. Example, drill size equal to 16 mm minus 0.2 mm plus 0.05 mm, which is equal to drill size equal to 15.75 mm. Let us now learn the sequence for reaming operation. Check the size of the workpiece using vernier caliper. Hold the job in a 3-jaw chuck such that about 25 mm is outside the chuck. Perform facing operation on one end of the workpiece. Perform turning operation to obtain diameter of 30 mm to the maximum length possible. Reverse the job and refix it. Perform facing operation on the other end of the workpiece so as to maintain a length of 30 mm. Perform turning operation to obtain diameter of 30 mm to the remaining length. Hold the center drill in a drill chuck mounted onto the tailstock barrel and center drill the work. Drill a 10 mm pilot hole. Drill through hole in the job with diameter 15.75 mm drill bit. Chamfer the drilled hole 1 into 45 degrees. Fix up the tap wrench to the square end of the diameter 16H7 hand reamer. The tap wrench must be short enough to clear the lathe bed. Move the tailstock back so that there is sufficient space for the reamer between the dead center and the workpiece. Place the reamer into the pre-drilled hole slightly with the shank supported by the tailstock dead center. Ream the hole by using sufficient coolant. Give uniform hand feed while reaming. Check the hole with a go and no-go plug gauge. Enlarge the reamed hole using adjustable reamer to a size of diameter 16.1 mm. Let's learn the precautions to be taken while reaming. Do not turn in the reverse direction. It will scratch the reamed hole. Remove the reamer occasionally by turning it clockwise to clear off the chips from the flutes. Never use a hand reamer under power. If the plug does not go throughout the bore, it indicates that the bore is tapered. If the hole is within limit, the gauge will enter easily. An entry of a no-go gauge into a hole beyond the chamfered length indicates an oversized hole, bell-mouthed or tapered hole. To recap, we have learned to drill a hole to size, leaving allowance for reaming. Ream through hole with a hand reamer. Check the reamed hole by using a plug gauge. Enlarge the reamed hole by diameter 0.1 mm using adjustable reamer.
So that's all about reaming in lathe using solid and adjustable reamer. See you in the next session.